Welcome to Seabreeze Beach House. My name is Jeffrey Jordan. I'm your bartender slash mixologist for the hotel. And right here we are at Seabreeze Beach House. We're at Aqua Tower Restaurant, one of the finest restaurants on the property. And I guarantee that you're going to enjoy it when you come here. However, I know that it's COVID-19 and people are inside. So what I'm going to do, I'm just sharing this video with you so that you can start the festival, before you get here. What I'm going to do today is going to be our traditional rum punch. Very local to Barbados, very local to the Caribbean. I'm going to be using the world-renowned, very famous Smoky Eclipse rum. And then I'm going to be pairing that rum with some simple syrup, some lime juice, nutmeg, and bitters. And then I'm going to make it with love so that you guys can enjoy it. Just remember that this is for you to be doing at home. So I'm going to be sticking to my measurements. However, you can tailor yours to suit you when you're at home. You might not have what I have here on the table, but I know that you can substitute with something else. So let's get started. I'm going to go over to the rum. So with the rum, we want to go 2 ounces or a cup. You want to go 1 ounce on a simple syrup. One ounce on the lime. Four dash of bitters. I'm going to shake that. If you don't have a shaker at home, you can build it in the glass and stir it to soup. I already have my glass chilling. Ice some water. Good shake. I'm just going to taste that. Yeah. Dash of nutmeg. There we have it. Rum punch, made with love, right here at Seabreeze. This you can do at home. This recipe is very easy. You can do this at home. And when you arrive here, this will be your welcome drink. You'll be more than happy to enjoy it, knowing that it's going to be mixed by me. Cheers, everyone.